Ever look away from the camera to check your notes, only to realize your final video looks completely disconnected from your audience? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix your eye contact in post-production using Descript. Descript is an incredibly powerful AI video and audio editor that makes editing as simple as editing a text document. Once you upload your video, Descript automatically transcribes it. From there, you head over to their refinement tools. With just a single click, Descript's AI can automatically adjust your gaze so you are looking directly at the camera, completely saving footage where you were looking at a script. Beyond fixing your eye contact, Descript is packed with other game-changing features, like Studio Sound, which removes background noise to deliver pristine audio, and Underlord, your personal AI editing assistant. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have a massive database of independent user reviews for this specific eye contact tool just yet. However, major creative teams at companies like HubSpot and Canva highly praise Descript's overall platform for turning hours of tedious editing into quick, simple adjustments. The main upside is how much time you save by editing text instead of scrubbing through timelines. Though with any AI eye correction tool, you'll want to review the final look to ensure your gaze transitions naturally. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can get started for free at Descript.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments if this AI eye contact tool worked for your videos.